Good morning. Welcome to MDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and share this video to your classmates. Today I am going to start a new lesson. It means the new lesson arithmetic progression. But before starting the exercise, we discuss about some terms. Discuss some terms like common difference, nth term, how can you sum of arithmetic progression, like this. Okay, lesson 5, arithmetic progression. Now first define this arithmetic. What is arithmetic progression? Now arithmetic progression is a list of number. Okay, and arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Okay, now the fixed number is called the common difference. Common difference of arithmetic progression. Okay, here also I write the arithmetic progression written as written as AP. Okay, the first number is called the common difference of AP. Remember that common difference, okay, that it can be positive, negative, or Z 0. The common difference can be positive, negative or 0. We also common difference written as D. Okay. Now in the definition they use term. Do you know what is term? Each of the number in the list, each of the numbers in list is called a term. Okay. Now also remember the general form of AP of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, dot dot dot. Okay. The first term now first term is equal to A. Okay. We also say the first term, it means T1. Okay. T1 is equal to A. Second term T2 is equal to A plus D. Okay. Now so the nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus D. We also denoted first term T1 or A1. Okay, is equal to A. Similarly the second term T2 or A2. Okay, nth term Tn or An. Okay. Now common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3 dot 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 same. Okay. For etc. it means that if we subtract the second term, subtract first term into in second term, then we get common difference D. It means also here say An. Okay, nth term is called Tn or An. The last term we denoted L. Okay, is equal to also A plus n minus 1 into D. Now the sum of nth term, the sum of the first n term of an AP Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Okay, if you know the last term, then Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. This is the formula you use in this lesson, in this lesson 5. So now we start the question. Also we write here the, if we want to write the 3 term of NEAP, 4 term of NEAP, how can you find? Okay, you also write the nth term from the end of an AP is equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula, nth term from the end of NAP. Okay, you also remember the 3 numbers in AP. In AP are taken as a minus d, a plus d. 4 number in AP are taken as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. 5 number in AP are taken as a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d. So you also remember these things. If A, B, C are in AP, then B is equal to A plus C by 2 and B is called the arithmetic mean of A and C. Now come to the exercise 5.1. One thing also remember, Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. It means that if you know the sum of 5 arithmetic progression, first 5 term, sum of the first 5 term of AP, and also you know the first 4 term, sum of the first 4 term of an AP, then you subtract, then you get the nth term. It means that if the 4th, 5th term and 4th term subtract, then you get the 5th term. Okay. The first question: in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involving make an arithmetic progression, and why? Now, the condition of arithmetic progression is the common difference. It means that the difference of consecutive number is same. Suppose it means that the second term, the difference of second term and first term equal to difference of third term and second term. According to the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 for the first and the 8 for each additional kilometer. This is your question. Okay. According to the question, question 1, we have to 4 question. So solution 1. According to the question given, the first term A is equal to rupees 15, D is equal to rupees 8, because after each additional kilometer the fare is increased. It means that if you want to go the 2 kilometer, then A plus D. It means that 15 plus 8, it means rupees 23. The fare of 3 kilometer is equal to T3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to rupees 15 plus 2 into 8 is equal to rupees 15 plus 16 is equal to rupees 31. Now the fare of first 4 kilometer is equal to A plus 3D is equal to rupees 15 plus 3 into 8 is equal to rupees 15 plus 24 is equal to rupees 39, and so on. So here the first term A, I also say T1. So here T2 minus T1 is equal to 23 minus 15 is equal to 8. T3 minus T2 is equal to 31 minus 23 is equal to 8. T4 minus T3 is equal to 39 minus 31 is equal to 8. It means the common difference is same. So here we write that thus 15, 23, 31, 39 ... forms an AP, because every next term is 8 more than the preceding term. So this is the form APO. So we can say that the first question of 1 is making an arithmetic progression. Now you have three questions, second, third and fourth, for your practice. Now we also doing the other question number 2. Write first 4 term of AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follow. Now the second question, solution second one. A is equal to 10, D is equal to also 10. We have to find the first 4 term. It means that T1, T2, T3 and T4. Yeah, we also say A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. So A1 is equal to A is equal to 10. A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 10 plus 2 into 10 is equal to 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. A4 is equal to A plus 3D is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10 is equal to 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. Therefore, the AP series will be 10, 20, 30, 40. Answer. We have to write the only 4 term. Okay, first, second, third and fourth. Same, you can solve the second, third, fourth and fifth question. Now question number 3. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Okay. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. Question number 3. Solution 3-1. The series is given 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. Here the first term, therefore, is equal to 3. This is the first term. Okay, and the common difference equal to second term minus first term. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Answer. 3 is first term and second term is equal to minus 2. Similarly, you can solve the second question, third question and fourth question. Question number 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. First, we have to see this term is in AP or not. Okay. The first question, question number 4. Solution. First question say 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. First of all, we see this is are in AP or not. This is arithmetic progression or not. So this is simple. T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. T4 minus T3 is equal to 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Here T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T2. So 2, 4, 8, 16 ... are not in arithmetic progression. Okay, if this is in arithmetic progression, then we have to find the next 4 term. So we also solve the second question of this question number 4. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Here T2 minus T1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2 is equal to LCM 2, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2 is equal to LCM 2, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Now because T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2, therefore 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 are in a page. Now you have to find the next term. Okay, here A is equal to A is equal to 2, D is equal to 1 by 2. This is the difference, so D is equal to 1 by 2. We have to 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, so we have to find the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th term. Okay, so 5th, T5 is equal to A plus 4D is equal to A 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2, 2, 2, 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. T6 is equal to A plus 5D is equal to 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 plus 5 by 2. So LCM 2, 2, 2 or 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 by 2. Now T7 is equal to A plus 60 is equal to 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2, 2, 3 are 6, 3, 2, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. T8 is equal to A plus 70 is equal to 2 plus 7 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 plus 7 by 2 is equal to LCM 2, 2, 2 are 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 by 2. Sorry, we have to find only more 3 terms. Okay, so no need of T8. So we have right here, hence D is equal to 1 by 2 and 3 more terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Answer. Now you have to find, also solve the next question like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8 and so on. It means that you have to also solve the next question of this exercise. Okay, that's all. Thank you.